Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is e to power of x plus pi is equals to pi to power of x plus e to find the value of x. In the first step, as you know, if we have a to power of m plus n, we can write this as a to power of m times a to power of n. So in here, we can write this as e to power of x times e to power of pi is equals to pi to power of x times pi to power of e. And in next step, we divide both of this equation by pi to power of x times e to power of pi. So we divide this by pi to power of x times e to power of pi. In here, e to power of pi will cancel this e to power of pi, and pi to power of x will cancel this pi to power of x, and it will be e to power of x over pi to power of x is equals to pi to power of e over e to power of pi. And in next step, in here, as you know, if we have a to power of m over b to power of m, we can write this as a over b to power of m. So in here, we can write this as e over pi to power of x is equals to pi to power of e over e to power of pi. And in next step, in here we let pi to power of e over e to power of pi as t. So it will be in here e over pi to power of x is equals to t. And in next step, we apply natural log to both sides of this equation. So it will be ln of e over pi to power of x is equals to ln of t. And as you know, if we have ln of a to power of b, this is equals to b times ln of a. In here, we can take this b outside of ln, and it will be b times ln of a. So in here, we can write this as x times ln of e over pi is equals to ln of t. And next step, we divide both sides of this equation by ln of e over pi. So we divide this by ln of e over pi, and it will be, in here this will cancel this, and it will be x is equals to ln of t over ln of e over pi. And in next step, in here we recall this t is equals to pi to power of e over e to power of pi. So we write in here x is equals to ln of t, and t is pi to power of e over e to power of pi, and over ln of e over pi. And as you know from log rules, if we have ln of a over b, this is equals to ln of a minus ln of b. So in here we can write x is equals to ln of pi to power of e minus ln of e to power of pi, and over in here ln of e minus ln of pi, and it will be x is equals to, in here we can take this power outside of ln, and it will be e times ln of pi minus, also in here we can write pi times ln of e, and in here we have ln of e minus ln of pi. And as you know, ln of e is equals to 1, so we can write x is equals to e times ln of pi minus ln of e is 1. So p times pi times 1, it will be pi, and ln of e in here is 1. So it will be 1 minus ln of pi. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.